Ask lang po, if magpapavaccine po ba yung tuta, 2 to 3 months old, need po ba talaga mag-deworm muna bago vaccine? Like, bawal po ba pagsabayin na agad sa vet? Good question. And honestly, ang daming pet owners ang nalilito dito, lalo na yung mga baguhan pa lang. So, pag-usapan natin ito. Short answer, hindi naman bawal in all cases. But, there's a reason usually why we recommend na ma-deworm muna ang puppy before vaccination. Here's why. When we vaccinate, hindi tayo directly nagbibigay ng protection. We are stimulating the immune system. Parang tinuturuan natin yung katawan kung paano lumaban sa sakit. Now imagine this. You have a puppy na may worms. Yung katawan niya is already stressed. Yung immune system niya is already busy fighting off parasites. Nahahati ang atensyon ng katawan. Resulta, the vaccine may not work as effectively. Hindi ibig sabihin walang effect, but the protection may not be as strong as we want it to be. That's why we prefer na clean muna ang system. Dewormed, stable, and walang ibang issue. Para when we vaccinate, full force ang immune system para gumawa ng protection. Para mag-disband ng maayos yung immune system niya to produce antibodies for these vaccines that we are giving. Another important point, some puppies that have worms may already be weak. Minsan may diarrhea, weight loss, or very low energy. And when we vaccinate a puppy na hindi pa stable, mas mataas ang chances ng complications. Plus, merong mga new puppies na newly acquired pa lang ng owners, may it be from breeders or from somewhere else. And if less than 1 week pa lang sila with their new environment, we have to make sure that they are already acclimatized because the transfer alone is already stress and we still don't know if na-expose sila sa ibang sakit from where they are from. They may be incubating viruses or diseases within themselves. Kaya usually, kailangan muna natin mag-antay ng 7 days at least, kaya we have to make sure na before natin bakunahan ang puppies natin, nakapag-observe na tayo at least 5 to 7 days na wala silang pinapakitang symptoms or sakit. Ang vaccination at deworming ay hindi protocol lang. It's about safety and effectiveness. Now, pwede bang sabay? In some cases, yes. Depende sa assessment ng veterinarian. If your puppy is healthy, active, and stable, maaari itong bigyan ng veterinarian ng vaccine at deworming at the same time. Unless bago nga lang ang puppy sa atin. We have to make sure na pagpahingahin at we have to make sure na makapag-adjust na muna sa bagong environment ang puppy. Because this is not something we guess. This is something that we assess. Kaya importante talaga na vet ang mag-evaluate. Because each puppy is different. Iba ang katawan, iba ang kondisyon, iba ang needs. Kung ikaw ay pet owner and you are unsure, don't rely sa mga sabi-sabi ng iba. If you could, it's better to bring your puppy to the closest veterinarian para safe, para tama, at para well-protected ang alaga mo. If you have questions, you can comment. I'll try to respond when I can. Pero reminder lang, I'm not a full content creator, I'm a working veterinarian, and if urgent ang concern mo, please don't wait. Dalhin na agad sa pinakamalapit na veterinarian. And just to be clear, these videos are for awareness only. Hindi ito diagnosis, hindi ito treatment, so go visit your vet today. If this helped you, follow for more veterinary responses and tips. And ako po si Doc JC and I'll see you sa next video. Bye!